from the Kefir King, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own milk kefir. For those who don't know, milk kefir is actually one of the healthiest drinks you can take for your body. The reason for that is because this natural drink is filled with good probiotics as well as lots of good bacteria strains that will be very good for your gut and then your overall health as well as your immune system. So, if you'd like to know more about kefir, you can check out our website and also subscribe for more future kefir content. Let's begin! To start making your very first milk kefir, you will need 3 things. First, a glass jar or container. Second, a tablespoon of milk kefir grains. And third, about 300 milliliters of fresh milk. Okay, so first we are going to take your glass container and you're going to put the milk kefir grains in them. Alright. Then you're just going to pour in the fresh milk. Alright. And you're going to just cover it with a little bit of breathing room, so don't cover it too tight because the kefir needs air to breathe still. And you're going to keep this in a cool and dark location. Okay, so this batch has been fermenting for about 24 hours, so you can see that the kefir has started to separate. What this looks like is the kefir grains will start to float at the top, and below it you can start to see the pockets of whey, which is the transparent liquid that you will see at the bottom of the floating kefir grains. Alright, so now it's ready to move on to the next step. So what you can do is first we're going to stir the mixture so that it becomes more uniform and easier to pour. Okay, so once that happens, we are then going to take a sieve and a container that you want to keep your kefir in, your milk kefir in, and we are going to pour this liquid in slowly so that it doesn't overflow. Alright, and then we're going to take a spoon to move the liquid around so that the liquid comes down and leaves the kefir grains at the top. Alright, try not to use metal utensils when you are making your milk kefir because metal tends to react with the live kefir grains and that won't be so good. Okay, so now that you're done sieving all your kefir grains, we're going to then store the kefir in a container to put in the fridge for later use, or if you want to drink it immediately, you can just pour it out and drink as is. Alright, so for the kefir grains that you've already strained out, what you're going to do is put them back into the container that you took them out of. Alright, and then you're just going to add milk and leave it in a dark location for another 24 hours with a little room for breathing, and you'll get your next batch in about 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best for your first kefir making experience. Share with us what happens, and if you run into any trouble, just leave a comment down below and we'll try our best to help. If you found this helpful and you'd like to have more kefir content in the future, subscribe to our channel.